Menjerang ba ukon rat ki sangma ulapan banaban pentrai kamno eka structure pi framework nakabentai ki Nonghikai ki badan hapo ka sarva siksha abhiyan SSA. Ulong bagani kesenjam ka tumuban penbhai ke jingai ne hakal yang pisa baban penbai ki jing ki balaslam bha jo ki Nonghikai da ka bapen klanya karu kampuli puti baro ka we hakajelah.
That we are honored and we are thanked for whatever we do. But as Christians, we always believe that kindness and gratitude is something that should be part of what we are as human beings. And I'm so happy that today the SSA Association as well as the Fort Teachers Association, in thousands, I was surprised to see the number of teachers out here. Really surprised. So on behalf of my entire cabinet, I would like to take this opportunity to thank you for organizing this wonderful program. And I would like our cabinet colleagues to please give a round of applause for our teachers who have organized this wonderful program. Thank you so much. But while I say that, what we are experiencing today and how we have reached here today, as has been seen in the video clip that we just saw, has been a very long and difficult journey. You have been through a lot. You have sacrificed a lot. You have gone through a lot of pain and you have gone through a lot of struggle. I'm only happy that I could be part of this journey with you from 2016 when I was a member of parliament till the point today when we are actually able to come to some kind of a solution to ensure that the service that is given by our teachers is recognized. The dignity that you deserve